If you've struggled in the past with trying a new device, you just don't have the time to be consistent with it, I have a device for you. If you're curious to see which one it is, let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about devices, and one in particular that I've been using for the past couple of months, and I am so pleased with this device, pleasantly surprised. A little bit of history with me and devices. I have used some in the past, and I'll be honest, there is just times where I haven't been the most diligent on using them. I find sometimes they can be a little bit cumbersome. They take too much time to use. I usually use devices in the morning when I just get up or before I go in the shower, that sort of thing. So I want a device that is quick and easy, not having to spend a lot of time. And ones that I've used in the past, they just, like I mentioned, they were just taking up too much time. But this device is so super quick and easy, and that's why I am loving it. So the one I'm talking about is the little ZIIP Halo. So this is a different version than the actual original ZIIP. So this is, there is the original ZIIP device, and then they created this one, which is the ZIIP Halo. So it's a little bit smaller than the original one. I don't have the original one, but I was so pleased when they reached out and asked if I wanted to try it out. Had seen a bunch of other content creators that have been using it and how pleased they were with it. So I was absolutely thrilled when they reached out, and I was like, yes, please, I will try it. One of the things that has thrilled me the most about using this device is that you guys have noticed. And that's without me saying anything, because I was using this behind the scenes. And what I'm referring to is, I'm gonna say, like, the last few videos, the last maybe 3-4 videos that I've put out, a bunch of you have left comments about my skin, how glowing my skin was, my skin looked different, how youthful my skin looked. At the time, I couldn't really say anything to you guys. I couldn't leave, like, in my comments. I was just, saying basically thank you. I didn't want to say anything at the time because I knew I was going to be creating this video. So that's when I know a device is fabulous, is when you guys notice and you're not prompted to say anything at all. And just as a bonus, I don't know about you guys, but my husband, he doesn't usually say anything about, like, if he notices something different on my face or anything like that. But he has actually made a few comments to me about, especially like my forehead wrinkles. There was one day he was looking across the table from me and he goes, whatever you're doing, he goes, I think it's really making a difference. He goes, I can see it, like, on your forehead up there. He goes, they just, like, the lines just don't seem to be, like, as pronounced on your forehead. And I was like, oh, well, thank you so much for noticing. That was awesome. Now, one of the content creators, which I'll link her video down below, and she goes into, like, a really in-depth interview with the founder, Melanie Simon, and it's a really, really good interview, and I learned a lot from watching it. Some of it's actually even, like, a little bit scientific of how the whole device works, so I'm not even going to get into all of that, but I'll just recommend you go and check out the video, and I think you'll learn a lot if you have any more questions about the device. I do want to say, like, full disclosure, I am not a dermatologist. I am not an esthetician. I am none of those. I am basically a makeup and skincare enthusiast in my 50s. I love trying new things, new skincare, new devices. That is kind of where my thoughts come from. Anytime, if you ever have questions, I always say to either reach out to your dermatologist or your doctor before you start any sort of program. So that's what I'll just kind of say about that. So we'll first start off a little bit with the device. So when you first receive it, it comes in this little box. There's an oversleeve that comes with, that overlaps the box. What I will recommend to you is you hold on to it because it has a QR code on the back here, which you download the app, and there is an app that goes with using this device. Now, one of the things that I really did like about this, the Halo, is because you don't need the app to use the device. The other original device, you do need the app. Now, when you use the app with the device, there are several different treatment plans you can go into. Some of them range from like 4 minutes. Other ones go up to 12 minutes. But it is actually Melanie walking through the whole treatment plan with you and you're basically doing it with her. So I think that's awesome that she does that. It's very user friendly. Like, I love how it's very interactive and very easy to use, because it's basically like guiding you along the process. So in the Halo, it has a pre-programmed treatment plan called the Lift. And that's the one that I've been using. I love it because it's just, like I said to you earlier, it's so quick and simple, and it takes 4 minutes. So getting back to the box. So inside the box, once you open it, it has the device, which obviously I have it here, so it's not in the box. But once you take that out, and then inside it has a charging cord, and it also has the gel that you use with it. And then also one of the other things it has in the box is this little card, which it has a quick start guide. So really simple, user-friendly. And then on the back here, it goes into what microcurrent is and nanocurrent. Now, what those are is the ZIIP has a unique dual waveform technology, which combines the microcurrent with the nanocurrent. So microcurrent is the instant effect. That's the electrical waveforms that you can feel. They work on a muscular level to lift and tone, and it can be compared to like almost like a workout. You're going to see a lifted appearance, smooths the fine lines, and there's going to be a little bit more definition on your face. Now the nanocurrent, those are the longer term effects. You can start seeing that in as little as 6 weeks. You're going to see more toned and sculpted areas of your face, your skin, and which I've seen it, and where you guys have noticed that, is it gives me more of a glowy complexion. My skin is way, way, way smoother. And my fine lines, my wrinkles, they definitely are reduced, especially on my forehead area, around my eye area, and then down here, I have not so much in my marionette lines, but definitely down around my mouth here. I've noticed my lines have diminished. And also, if you are one of my longtime viewers, you know that I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with my hyperpigmentation, and I'm always finding ways to how can I diminish it. I don't want to go down the path of going and getting like lasers or all that, anything like that. I don't, it doesn't bother me that much that I want to go down that road. I do try and find different ways that I can diminish it, and this device has really, really helped with that. I will show you a before and after picture, even over the last few months. And I don't have to apply, as much makeup. Like I sometimes will put concealer here to try and diminish that one. This one's a darker one than this one over here. This one is more pronounced, and I'm always usually putting a little bit of concealer just to kind of hide it, but I haven't really been having to do that a lot lately. So I'll actually get into using the device, and I'll show you a little demonstration of what I did this morning. So the first things that you're going to do is apply. I put about 4 to 5 pumps of the ZIIP Electric Complex Conductor Gel. One of the things that I really enjoy about this, like I actually look forward to using this device. Like I said, it's one of those ones it's very easy to use. Like I look forward to it. I call it like my little zip. You can just go zip, 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 zip around with it. So zip on your face with it. To go back to the gels that I've used in the past, I could only do, so if you're doing like whatever device you're using, I could only apply the gel on one side of my face at a time because it dries out a lot. I'm going to say most of the gels I've tried they just dry out. So I only would do one side of my face, do the device, and then go to the other side. With this gel, this does not dry out. It has a really nice, like a slip to it. I don't want to waste it, so I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand so you can see it. It's almost like water. Can you see it right there? And when you rub it in, it feels so nice, but it doesn't dry out. So when I apply it to my face, I can do my whole face with it. And then the treatment plan that I use, like I mentioned, is 4 minutes. So it's 2 minutes aside. And by the time I get over to the other side, it's fine. There's still like the slip is there. So I don't need to reapply anything. Absolutely love the gel. This is one of the best gels I've ever tried. So once I apply all the gel onto my face, I turn on the device. So this has a little power button right here. So you turn that on. And you hear a little beep. So then what you do is you immediately start applying it onto your skin. So now what this does, so it has a little band around here that's showing you, so this little band right here is showing you that it's on. Once you have contact with your face, it will light up right like that. It just lit up now. So you start the treatment plan. For each one that you're doing, you can hear it kind of give a little bit of a zzz. Hopefully you can hear that. So I started kind of down on my area right here, and then I'm going up my face, keep going up my face, go up my eye. Once you get to the, your forehead, and then I go back down and start my chin again, down like my chin jowl area, and work my way back up. And like I said, that's so 2 minutes on that side, and then it'll give off another little beep, and that tells you to switch sides. And so then I start the treatment plan on the other side. I can't tell you guys how simple this is. Like 4 minutes to do this and to actually see results. And that's what's blowing me away, is I'm actually seeing the results of plumper skin. My fine lines have been diminished. What is also lovely about microcurrent is you can't really feel it working. So that's where, like I advise people, if they are using something like a new device, I always say take a picture of starting something, because it's one of those things that you're looking in the mirror every day at yourself, and just stuff gradually happens, and before you know it, you're like, oh wow, I can really see the results. So that's my number one tip, is always take a picture before you start something, and then gradually you'll definitely see the results happening. So there's the beep. Now it's going to tell me to go on to the other side. So then I do the other side for 2 minutes. So after I've done just the one side of my face, I'm going to show you the results of when I say it gives you a lifting appearance. I am not kidding. And then it indicates, it shuts itself off, which is fantastic. I love that feature too. And then I just wipe it down. You can use some kind of a cloth that you have. And I mean, I've just been using a Kleenex lately, but you can use like a microfiber cloth. And I wipe it down after I've used it. And what I also do then is I just get a face cloth and I remove the rest of the product from my face. And then I just go in with my regular skincare ingredients after using it. One of the other things that I appreciate is how lightweight it is. Like especially if you're doing one of the treatment plans that's like a 12-minute treatment plan, you're holding a device for a long time. And that's something that sometimes is a bit of a bother with other devices I've tried in the past. Maybe they're a little bit heavier, and so when you're going through like a 10-minute, 15-minute treatment plan, your hand can kind of sometimes get sore. But this one is lovely. I love it's great for traveling because it is so small. Like when you look at it compared to my hand, like it is super, super small and very thin. One thing about the gels is there is a bunch of other gels. This was just the one that came with it. So I can't speak to what the other ones, like how they work. But there is a bunch of other gels that they do sell. So there is currently a Black Friday sale going on. So I'll throw that up onto the screen here. So from November 13th to November 27th, it's 20% off the ZIIP Halo device, gels, and sets. I will include my discount code is going to be right down here. It's MELZIP. Now the bundles, I'll put some images of the bundles that they have right now, will be at least 15% off on site. And with my code, that'll give you an extra 20% off, which is an incredible deal, especially if you're looking for somebody for like a Christmas present coming up. I will have all of the information down in my description box. So far, very, very happy, thrilled to pieces with this device. And I love when I use a device and I can actually see the results. Because like I mentioned earlier in the video, some devices that I've used in the past, I'm just being honest, I just have not been consistent. Life gets in the way. But when you have something that's 4 minutes, like 4 minutes in the morning, I think I can set aside 4 minutes to do this. I mean, I could maybe stretch it to 5 minutes because I have to apply the gel and stuff, but that really only takes seconds to do that. I just want to thank ZIIP for partnering with me on this video. Like I mentioned, I will have all the details down in my description box, and I'll include some of the products that if I sometimes get questions after my video of what makeup or whatever I was using today, so I will also have some of that listed down below for you. Send this video a like, subscribe if you're not already, and share with like-minded people. Somebody that you think may enjoy something like this. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!